Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to talk about which series we're going to begin next week. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos or concept videos, but we only do one topic at a time. So if you're not here on Discord, we are now at 190 members and some very, very active members. So if you have a question in Python, make sure you jump over on this Discord because someone is always here to answer questions. Okay, so here is the reveal. So, all right. So we do have a tie, and we're going to go ahead and do first. We're going to do the real clock, but I know you may say, hey, but there's another one at 5. Well, you're a Python. They already got a request, and we did networking last time. But we will do unit testing. I think we're to the point where unit testing is a very, very good idea. But we have somebody who's been very, very involved recently and super supportive. So we're going to do the real clock, then we're going to do our unit testing. And I actually kind of like this idea right here to start answering some questions from Code Wars. So we can really start talking about problem solving. But, and very soon I should be having an update on the second course on CodeDam. But there's some things that I'm working through on some of the exercises, making sure they're good enough, making sure they're not too hard, trying to find this delicate balance of walking through things. But just this real quick video today, and as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're jumping down in the Discord, giving this video a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'll try not to take it too personally, but as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.